Hey, fifth graders, it's me, Mr. Funk. Sorry, I'm out for tennis yet again. Last time, tennis is over. After today, sorry I can't be with you, but you're in for a good day. Okay, so what we're working on today is a one-day snap circuit challenge. All right, now these snap circuits are a little bit different because they deal with renewable energy. All right, so you have this paper, the substitute or teacher filling in is going to give it to you. Your job is to get one solar energy project done, one hydro energy power done, which would be water. Okay, solar would be sun. We're going to use flashlights for that. One wind power. We don't have wind in here. You're just going to have to move the windmill with your hand. And then you get to do one of your choice. All right, tell me what type of energy it involves and tell me the project number. Okay, so for each one, you are actually going to write down the project number that you did. All right, now, at the end, you also need to take a video in the instructions right here of one of the four projects. You pick, upload that to your portfolio. There's enough people in the room that know how to do that by now. Okay? You are working with one or two other people. Good luck. Okay, so I also wanted to show you what these kits actually look like. Okay, so everybody's going to get one of these kits. You open it up. All right, this is your board to build on. You can use that. You do not have to use that. All right, we have two books. Okay, one book is going to show you all the information that you need as far as solar, mechanical. We'll probably do this on day 2 of snap circuits. The main book that you need would be your snap circuit green book. Okay, now, when it says you need a project with solar energy, okay, right here, if you picked project 80, all right, you can see project 80, this uses a solar panel right here. That's what B7 is. It is a solar panel. So this project would use...
Wave 1, grades 5 and 7 are now dismissed.
Sorry for the announcements. Project 80 would use a solar power, right? Now, it also has a battery in it, so it would also use nuclear power, and it also has a windmill here. Now, the windmill is getting turned. It's not producing the power. Excuse me. Okay? So if you choose number 80, you could use that for solar power. All right? You know, Project 91, again, it uses a solar panel. Therefore, it would be considered solar power. Okay? So let me show you some of the things in this kit that you need to know. Here is the solar panel. I suggest you might need to use 2, 3, or 4 flashlights to get this to work. Okay? In here we have this is how you attach the solar panel or the windmill. Okay, this simply goes in here. You attach this here like so, and then this goes on top of that. Okay? So that's that as well. Right here is your voltmeter. All right? So this reads volts, and it also reads tiny little microvolts as well. So you want to turn this all the way to the right to get the easiest reading. If this needle moves up here, okay, then it is going to produce electricity. So if you're not getting a reading on this, it might not be producing electricity. Look at your positives and your negatives for everything. You have to justify and complete an actual circuit. Okay, so there's that. Right here, this is how the turbine works. This thing mixed with this is a water turbine. It spins. So if you go back to the sink, okay, and this is spinning, that is how you're going to produce hydroelectricity. Okay? So again, other than that, there's just a lot of exploration today.
Wave 1, grades 6 and 8 are now dismissed.
That should be the last announcement. There's a lot of exploration today. Good luck. I want you to be successful with this. When you're done, there'll be choices on the board for you to do. All right, I will see you next week. Take care, everybody.